ECOFLOW River 2 Pro Portable Power Station. Introducing the ECOFLOW River 2 Pro, your ultimate portable power solution for any adventure. Recharge in just 70 minutes with industry-leading extreme fast charging technology. Power up to 80% of your appliances with a robust 1,600 W output capacity. Enjoy over 3,000 recharges with the long-lasting LFP battery, ensuring nearly a decade of use. Harness solar energy to recharge in as little as 3.5 hours with 220 W input. Weighing only 17.2 pounds, it's perfect for outdoor escapades and easy to carry. Included are essential cables, a user manual, and a 5-year service for peace of mind. Rated 4.5 stars. Order today.